Fake.เห็นไหมเดินเข้าไปได้ไหมยกเว้นถ้าขี่ม้ามาเอาบัตรกระบูมกระบรา It's a dinosaur fossil. But you know why I don't go in and get the real picture? Cause that guy's big ass thing. Yeah. For you to read. For you to read. For you to read. Is that guy real? Hello. Hello, mister. Mister, if you're a parrot, can you say after me? 6'7" lick feet. Mister. New guy. Hello. Why are you not saying after me? I just got violent. Hello. Hello. 6'7" lick feet. อันไหนพูดได้
Wow.
I'm going to learn like 6'7" lick feet.
เฮ้ย
No, lick feet. Lick feet.
ไทยพารามเขาชื่อของกวาว
Lick feet. Mama. Hey, lick feet. Lick feet. Lick feet. Hello. Lick feet. Lick. Hello. Ah. Bro, it's so cute. But I bet it doesn't peck my tingling. Tingling. Ooh. For you to read.
ตรงนี้นี่เขาหลุดไปแล้ว
Rectangle. Where the fuck did it go? Let me
เขาอาจจะป่วยเขาเลยเอา
What the down one? Raccoon. How you that time? And okay. Hello. กระตากกระตาก Hello. Hello. 6'7" lick feet ding dong. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, I forgot to lock that right, motherfucker. See? Next one. Unbelievable. Copy
นี่ส
ball.
ไปเดอร์อยู่
รอด้วย Bro, I was spooters. What? Yeah, why did I miss these guys? I don't know. Sorry, I don't have one for you to read because there are people. Like I get. Whoa. Hello. Wait, I think I saw something aggressive. Guys,
ถ้าตัวนี้ไม่เจอ
absolute scorpion.
เนี่ยถ้าอันนี้ไม่เจอแล้วมันหายไปไหนอะเจอนี่1 ตัว 2 ตัวอยู่อันนั้นน่ะไม่เจออันนี้ก็ไม่เจอ
Mama แล้ว
อันนี้เจอแล้วอันนี้ล่ะอันนี้
6,
ล่ะอันนี้ล่ะ
7 look feet and there's two.
มันหลบอยู่ตรงเนี้ย
คือเราไม่ไปหาเขาไง
Whoa,
ก็
whoa,
เลยต้องเอาเขามาหา
งานเจอเหยี่ยวแล้ว
Okay. Snakes. Snake. Another snake. And the big snake. Fucking lights. Spider. Ugh. Snake. A spider. Another snake. So I'm sure. Who cares? No knocking on glass. Yeah, why not? Oh my god, bro. The fork. How will I even be able to find the shit? Oh my god, little frog. Fat frog. There. One here. Wait. And there. I have to see. Nah. Mealworms. Are they making beetle? Oh. Frick, those mealworms are for the gecko. But if it turns to beetles, they cool. But my goal is what the fuck? How do I fuck this shit? You know what? Tuppy bars are aggressive. See? Woo! Break down.
มันอยู่ในการ์ตูนใช่ไหม
ใช่แล้ว
ดูไปหามันเนี่ยมันจะกินเธอดูมันหลับกินก่อนเป็นยังไงที่ว่าตัวจริงมันใหญ่กว่านี้
This guy tried to find me and I sail. Hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo. Are you alive? Oh. Guys, you're cooked.
มันเหมือนจะเป็นเชี่ย
Let me touch it, bro. Bro, those they're interrupting my video. It's alive. An owl. Yeah.
เดี๋ยวตัวมีพิษทั้งนั้น
Bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy. Die law. Is it dead? Oh my god. ขอจับได้ไหมครับ I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. The skin so soft. หัวมันตรงนั้นใช่ไหมครับ ไม่ให้มันฉก The head is the Woo! Hey man, bro, I taking a video. So 6-7 lick feet. Serpent. Food. That's a lager fox. Isn't he beautiful? Oh, where's my eagle? Where's my eagle? What's those? How about how windy go? These things are not related, absolutely. Is it real or fake? Fake. Crocodile. A cold, sounds scary. Guys, tell me and his ancestors. I want to see. I know you guys want to see, but it's kind of creepy. Don't you think? So, I keep. Whoa.
No picture.
Fine. I'm taking videos on YouTube. You're lucky, dude. Gotcha. What? Shit. Motherfuck. Last place was even. This is so sad. So sad. These little boys have died. The last one on earth. Beware aggressive animals. Karen does too. Bro, not aggressive at all. How about this? Iguana. Boy. Wow. Good animal. Monkey. Little cat. I have cat. Aggressive, right? You're aggressive, so try aggressive this one. Heck it. Motherfucker. Woo. Hey! Wait, why I smell some kind of shit? Lick feet. 6-7 lick feet. 6-7 lick feet ding dong RPG. Bro. To hear if so, you want to hear motherfucker? I give you motherfucker. So I'm not. This eagle. ม้าเราจะเข้าคาเฟ่แมวอ่ะได้ไหม Fine, okay. Deer. Hey, dude. Yo, Wendigo. Boo. Woo. Skim solo. Later will be that, but I'll stop the video to take for my friends, okay? Let me take this for my friend.